Hey, Dex.
Good to see you again. I'll show you the way to the track. Follow me. Go left here. No Lucas this time, huh? Ah, figures. Let's take a right. We grew up on these roads. Me and Lucas are the same age, though obviously the years have been harder on his Cuban ass. Next left. This track where we're going, that's where we learned to race back in the day. Think it's some kind of water treatment plant. Place used to stink like a swamp, and that's what made it perfect. The air was nasty, but the roads were clear. One time, Lucas nearly drifted into an open tank of sewage. But don't worry, they put a roof on that since. Let's go right here. Now I run these practice sessions for out-of-towners, so y'all don't embarrass yourselves at the showdown. If you impress, maybe I'll give you a little something to get your car up to showdown standards.
I like the sound of that.
Throw it right. Here we are. Let's see what you got. Follow my lead, or come and take it. Not my best start. I'll catch you soon enough. Looking strong there. You got some serious pace. You got this in the bag. Okay, I'll give you this one. like that when we was kids. We can definitely come back again.